Hello, my name is Crystal Wallace and I'm a student with WGU for Business Communications Class C716, and I will be presenting to you the steps on creating a business report. There are a few steps in creating a business report. Step 1 is the planning process. You must follow 3 criteria. You must be organized, well supported, and it must be useful. For an organized business report, the reader will be able to locate information quickly. Content is presented in a logical manner. For it to be well supported, the reader can trust the information, the facts and data, where subjective judgments are made, as in drawing conclusions and making recommendations. They must be presented ethically and be based on information presented in the report. For usefulness, the reader uses the report to make decisions to solve problems that affect the organization's success. Unlike some scientific and academic reports, business reports provide practical information that readers use to take action. Breaking those down a little bit, we'll go a little bit deeper into the 3 criteria for building a business report. For organized, you must find sources. You need to define the purpose of your report, analyze the intended audience, and determine the data needed to make an informed decision. You need to provide enough information to feel confident in your decision. In order for your business report to be well supported, you need to identify the types of data used in your support. There's primary data, which is data collected by a researcher to solve a specific problem, which gives you more control over accurateness and completeness. There's also secondary data, which is collected by someone else other than the researcher for a different purpose. Most reports use a majority of secondary data because it costs less and saves time. For usefulness, you must utilize relevant resources. The quality of data used impacts its usefulness as well. There are a few questions that you should ask in regards to usefulness. One is authority. Is the author of the data identifiable? Accuracy and reliability. Have resources been properly documented and cited? Purpose and objectivity. Is there a clear distinction between opinion and fact? Coverage. What information is omitted or included? And currency. How often has the data been updated? Step 2 of creating a business report is to draft your report. When you draft your report, you must include an introduction, your findings, and a summary. Once you've done those 3 things, you will have a conclusion and recommendations of data you've collected. Then you move to step 3, which is developing your effective writing style. This will impact how your report is received by the intended audience. You need to use the correct tone, pronouns, emphasis, and coherence. Step 4 in creating a business report is to document your sources. There are a few reasons for doing this. 1, it gives credit to the originator of the information. 2, it demonstrates validity and credible resources. 3, it avoids accusations of plagiarism. And 4, it tells readers where they can find additional information. Once you've done those 4 steps, you will move on to the final step, which is refining your draft. This includes revising, formatting, and proofreading your report before delivering to your intended audience. Businesses often use social media. These days, businesses are using social media to distribute common types of business information from their business report as a way to reach millions of people globally within seconds. Social media helps businesses develop relations with the community, connects the brand in the consumer's mind, and it has become a way for many to research projects. In conclusion, these are the few steps that you need to take in order to create a cohesive business report. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you.